Color/style may vary, improved blade that stays sharp longer. Safely strips veins, glue and wraps from arrows. A preformed channel provides a safe cutting angle. Easy grip handle. Safe for use on all shafts. Top reviews from the United States. Makes cleaning arrows easier. This makes getting the glue off of arrows super easy. We recently decided to re-fletch our own arrows, and I bought this as it was recommended by another review for the Fletch Pro tool. We do not take off the fletching itself with this, but use it to scrape off glue. It gets all of the glue off without scratching the shaft of the arrow. It makes it really easy to help ready an arrow to be fletched. I would recommend this product, it was worth buying.